Yo, what is up everybody? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. Now remember, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro is a different, thing. It is owned by the same company, Coinbase, but a regular Coinbase and a Coinbase Pro is different. So before I show you guys how you guys can change into it, by using that you can get up to $10 bonus. So if you guys want to earn $10 for free, you can use our referral link down in the description to sign up to Coinbase and get up to $10 free. So yeah, let's start the video. Now, let me just give you a reminder. Most people think that if they have a regular Coinbase account like this over here, then they think like can change it to Coinbase Pro by like going to setting another thing. Now, let me make it clear. Coinbase regular and Coinbase Pro is different thing. Even if you have a Coinbase account over here, you need to, sign up in another way to create a Coinbase Pro account. So let me show you guys, because showing will make it easy for you. So this is my regular Coinbase. If I want to, change it to Coinbase Pro, I need to sign in into Coinbase Pro. So let me do that. You click on where it says Coinbase Pro. You guys can see, you can click on where it says Get Started. Click on Get Started. And it's going to show you verify your identity. And you want to fill up this form and click on Continue and create your Coinbase Pro account. And what you want to do is, all the cryptocurrency stored over here, you want to go and send and receive. And you want to send your crypto from here to your, address, your wallet address of Coinbase Pro. If you want to switch to Coinbase Pro, that's the only way, because like most people think like there's a button over here, they can just click on it and their account will automatically change into Coinbase Pro, but that's not how it works. To go into Coinbase Pro, you need to create another account, and your Coinbase regular account and your Coinbase Pro account are two different accounts. So just keep that in mind. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can change to Coinbase Pro.